I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today I got the Xeon Crane M2. Also, I'm using my Rode Wireless Go, and by recommendation, I'm supposed to turn it this way because it looks smaller. But since it's a premium product, and I just bought it, okay, on the outside. Okay, what is this? This is one of the new type of gimbals that does for 3-in-1. So GoPro, phones, and mirrorless cameras. More recommended for the Fuji X-F10, the one that you can't change camera, you can't change lens, or for the Sony RX5 series where you don't change lenses. But since kit lenses are quite light and small, most likely your mirrorless with kit lens should be okay. No f2.8 zooms, huh? Okay, let's unbox this. Unboxing! Okay. Okay. I got this. It's not my first box, but it's my first crane box. Okay, this one is available at Promax Digital. It's near Tune Hotel. Oh yeah, promo code Jack for 10% discount. Comes with a service card. Don't be lazy, register this. Actually, for my Weebill S, I haven't registered yet. It's been like 2 weeks. I really should, just in case. See, this is quality products have quality boxes. Like you open a nice box, there's an even nicer one inside. Ooh. It's attached. Good. This is like 50% better than the Weebill S because that one's not attached. Wow, look at this. Nice. Okay, we have the quick release plates. It's specially shaped so your battery can come out easily. Then we have the smartphone attachment, which you just pull. Nothing to turn here. You have the USB-C cable. You know how to use these. You have a strap. Ooh, leather strap. You have a tripod, small tripod, but the legs go wide. We like it when the legs go wide. Yeah. Wow, this is actually pretty good. So there was I forgot which brand, they made the Smooth Q2. Is it the same brand? Yeah, this is like a lot like the Smooth Q, but the Smooth Q is just for phones. I mean, look at the clearance, it's just passing. Fantastic. This is pretty awesome. Should I buy one of these? I don't know. You want to buy one? Buy it now. Don't think, just buy it. But first, buy one of these, the Rode Wireless Go. That's even better. Which is more expensive? How much is this one? The MSRP?
It's about 800 something.
Ringgit?
Yes, ringgit.
Okay, this one costs about $100 more than this one. But for exact pricing and for the Jack 10% discount, come to the shop. Promax Digital on Burma Road?
Yes, Burma Road.
Burma Road, before Tune Hotel. Buy now, come here, it's a camera shop. Everyone loves camera shops. Subscribe! Okay, will I close this?
You can call it.